Grasp the bird's tail, movement number 7. Grasp the bird's tail, movement number 7. Bring the foot in, circle, hold the ball, right hand on top. Left foot back out, long sit step, shift forward, lift. Left palm forward facing you, fingers to the side. Right palm, fingers slightly upward, palm facing forward. Rotate. Press down. Shift back, pull towards the right. Shift forward, relax the hands. Right hand on the left wrist. Press and separate. Shift back, press down, triangle. Lift up, keeping the elbows in. Shift forward, turn, pressing palms. 1, circle, bring the foot in, hold the ball. Step out with the left foot, shift forward, lift. Circle. Half circle, press. Shift, pull to the right, weights in the back. Shift forward, weights in the front. Turn, right hand on the left wrist. Separate, keeping the fingers the same direction. Shift back, press down, triangle, lift up, shift, press forward. One, 2, 3, circle, press down, 4, shift back, 5, shift forward, 7, hand on the wrist, separate, down, 9, 10, press forward, 11.